Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. And in this tutorial video guys, I will teach on how to create a text file in C++ programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, subscribers in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos, like, dislike, and most importantly by subscribing. I would like to shout out Sir Ernel, Marshmallow, Ma'am Rubilin, and Sir Daven. If you want to be shout out in my channel, please put your name and then shout out. So let's get started. I'm using Dev C++. Now in writing this program, we have here two library file. This one IOStream for input output, and then fstream for text file in C++. Using namespace std and main, it is the starting and ending point of every C++ program. We have here begin, offstream, out file open. We create this mydata.txt. If string quit end, it will stop string line, the title of our program. Creating a text file in C++, we have here two new line, while quit not equals small letter y or quits capital Y. It will continue accepting line of text here, and then when stop it will quit, and then it will display a message, data has been successfully saved in mydata.txt, and out, and then we close, out file close, and then return 0, close. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two website. Let us compile and run. Okay, enter line of text, Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. Enter. Stop entering text, no. Information technology. Stop entering text, no. Computer programming in C++. Stop entering text, no again. Database programming using Oracle. Stop entering text, yes. Okay, I think we have some bugs, so okay, another text, welcome. Why? Okay, wait for a while, there is a bugs that I find. Okay, I will remove this one, sorry. Okay, let us go back here. Okay, my file already created. We will go back now, and then we will create the program. Okay, there is a bugs. Okay, enter line of text, computer programming. Stop entering text, no. Information technology, no. Computer science, no. Computers. Stop entering text, why? Okay, data has been successfully saved in the mydata.txt. Let us go back now to the folder. Okay, so we have here the text has been saved successfully, if we compare the two files, computer, information technology, computer science, computers. Okay, it is successfully saved in mydata.txt, so sorry, earlier I have made a mistake from the code, So this is the end of our tutorial video guys for creating a text file in C++. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. This is your friend Jake saying, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.